welcome to JFK.
Welcome to Malaysia.
EY38, welcome to Paris.
Etihad 450, it's good to have you down under.
Along the Arabian Peninsula, at 25 degrees north and 51 degrees east, intersects a point where the west meets the east. This is Qatar, the ultimate gateway to the world. Originally famous for fishing and pearling, today it's better known as the Riviera of Arabia. It's a place where Eastern architecture meets Western style, and Eastern sights meet Western people. Here, Eastern hospitality meets Western efficiency, while Eastern delicacies meet Western cuisines. Doha is home to one of the world's most modern airlines, Qatar Airways. Enjoy the city of Doha, or transit through this gateway to an expanding worldwide network of over 80 destinations. Doha is the ideal gateway between the great cities of Europe and Asia and on to the USA. Doha is the gateway to Africa and the access point to and from the Indian subcontinent. And of course, Doha offers comprehensive connections to the whole of the Middle East. What's more, when you transit through Doha with Qatar Airways, you can enjoy the world's first premium terminal. You'll be flying with a 5-star airline that's consistently winning international awards. Now when traveling to the Middle East or between the USA, Europe, Asia and Africa, there's a better option. Qatar Airways, world's 5-star airline.
The conqueror rises, flowing with quiet energy, as heady aromas of the exotic. makes the soul wander and dip in pools of indulgence. Be free. Be enthralled. Be alive. Live a story worth retelling. Be where you want to be. Over 100 destinations worldwide. Qatar Airways, world's 5-star airline.